Real talk, you've got your offer and you've got your audience, but your sales funnel, it's collecting dust instead of dollars. What if I told you that we could fix that in just one day? And actually, probably in just one meeting. Yeah, we're talking about turning that like broken or non existent or Frankenstein funnel into a cash flowing machine that works while you sleep. So stay tuned in here because I'm going to spill all the secrets from one of my recent funnel planning sessions where I help entrepreneurs like you create funnels that actually thrive instead of just convert. So let's dive in. Welcome back to Million Dollar Marketing. I'm your host, Jody Sedini, and today we are diving into one of my absolute favorite topics, building a sales funnel that actually works. Because that's the whole point, right? None of those duct tape together Frankenstein funnels. No, we are talking about simple and yet intentional and effective funnels that turn your audience into buyers. So, this episode is for you. If you've ever stared at your funnel and thought, why is this not working? Or if you've avoided the word funnel altogether because it sounds overwhelming, right? So I get it, but trust me, by the end of this episode, you're going to feel empowered and you're going to feel ready to tackle this head on. So let's do this. Let's kick off with the elephant in the room. Why is it that so many sales funnels fail? It's not because your offer isn't good. It's not because your audience isn't interested. 9 times out of 10, the problem is simple. The funnel doesn't align with your customer's journey. So I want you to think of it like this. It's sort of like inviting someone to a party, but forgetting to give them the directions. So I see this all the time. No order bumps, confusing upsells, zero follow up sequences. And here's the kicker, these aren't actually hard fixes. These just require the right strategy and a little bit of TLC. So take my client Jennifer, for example. So she had an amazing $47 offer, but the funnel, just a total flop. So in just one day, we revamped the whole thing. Okay, we outlined a whole new strategy for her. We added a $27 order bump. We built a $147 upsell. And then we created a whole new offer together for a $14.97 high ticket coaching option. Boom, that leaky funnel, it's going to turn into a cash machine. And I am just sure of it. So we're working on that right now. And I will keep you guys posted because I want to make sure that you see the journey from beginning to end. All right. So what happens during a sales funnel planning session? Spoiler alert, it's not about throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping that it sticks. I've done so many of these, literally hundreds of these funnel planning sessions where we've mapped out the offers and the order and the sequence and the pricing and how that all works. We craft together a funnel that fits your unique business, your unique audience, and your goals. Okay. We want to know like what it is that you enjoy selling. What do you want to sell more of? Or if you need a cash injection or something, like what is it that you need to sell more of? So there might be a primary focus offer that you want to fill, or there might be something else that you want to sell because you need some more cash in the door. And that totally can adjust and adapt based on where you are at in your stage of business right now. So here's how it works. Number one, we're going to dissect your offers. So do you have low ticket offers? Do you have mid ticket offers? Do you have high ticket offers? Are they scalable? Are they services? Are they done for you? Or are they something that you can absolutely get like a one to many option, like a mastermind? Okay. So these pieces all need to work together like a dream because the funnel is going to be a feeder into whichever primary offer you want it to go in. So we need to know like what's the focus, but what are your offers? What can we put together in this funnel? So from there is number two, we're going to map out the customer journey. So from landing pages to upsells and thank you pages, every single step is going to be intentional. For Jennifer, we focused on a seamless checkout experience because that was one of the spots where we were a little bit sticky here, and then aligned her upsell perfectly with her main offer. All right. And then number three, we're going to talk about backend magic, which is funny because my original business name back when I got started as a tech VA was backend expert. That was fun. All right. So funnels don't just stop at the sale. We actually handle email automations, nurture sequences, and retargeting ads. It's like waving a magic wand, honestly. So a funnel without a follow-up is leaving money on the table, and that's no bueno. We don't want to do that. Okay, so here's the part that most people skip in their funnel. It's testing. So a funnel is not a set it and forget it sort of thing. No, we actually test everything. We want to test headlines. We want to test hooks. We want to test sales page layouts, because what works for one audience might flop with another, right? You get some industry standards from other online coaches and or a template or something like that, and then you install that for your offer and it just like completely flops. So for example, Jennifer's audience is really craving clarity. So we're tailoring her messaging to be super straightforward, simple calls to action, clear benefits, no fluff. The result is going to equal some cash money. Okay. The secret, though, is in the data. So we have to be evaluating, like, where are people dropping off? What is it that's converting? Every tweak that we make is backed by numbers. And I want to give a little plug for one of my favorite tools called Hotjar. You can actually sign up for free and install a little bit of code, just a tiny pixel. It's like the Facebook ads pixel. You install that pixel on the pages that you want to track, and it will give you like a heat map. And you can see how far are people scrolling? Where are they dropping off? So having that installed on a funnel that is working is really amazing. And having it installed on a funnel that isn't working is also really amazing. The data there is needed in both scenarios. You have to understand, how far are people scrolling on your page? Where is it that they're dropping off? Or where is it that they're buying, right? Because it might be that case that things are working really well, and you just want to make sure that you understand what it is that's actually causing them to add it to the cart and purchase the thing. Okay. So data is everything. All right. So here's the next section of this podcast. So I want to talk about long-term funnel success. A funnel is not just a one and done project. It's really not. It's a long-term investment in your business that keeps on giving, right? So, for example, Jennifer had a $67 monthly membership, and we're positioning that as a bonus for this new high ticket coaching package. And the result of that is like a no brainer for her audience and recurring revenue for her business. So that's a win-win. They can join that membership either by itself and have that recurring revenue, or it can be bonused in as part of her high ticket thing. And I think it's an amazing, amazing offer. I'm so excited about it. So here is my question for you. Is your funnel working as hard as you are? If not, let's change that. All right. My sales funnel VIP day, or funnel planning intensive, as I like to call it, it's your done in a day solution for a funnel that finally converts. So what you're going to walk away from with that is a complete plan, a clear path to profiting, and then the confidence that your funnel is ready to scale. If you are ready to make that happen, I want you to head over to my website or DM me and grab a spot now. So spots are limited. I'm not offering this. I haven't offered this as a standalone product in so long. It's just been something that I'm doing for my clients. But if you're not ready for other things in your business and you want to just solidify that funnel with a funnel planning session, I want to make sure that you don't wait. Okay, let's build something amazing together. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Million Dollar Marketing Podcast. If you have loved this episode, I want you to share it with a friend who might need funnel help. And hey, don't forget to leave a review or shout out in the comments below. Until next time, I want you to keep building, keep scaling, creating your $1 million empire. And remember, if you're not moving forward, you're falling behind. I'll see you next time.